So guys, this is what we call the single candle liquidity or double purge theory. All right, now I'm going to explain to you how to use this strategy to trade and make consistent profits out of the market in both directions, uptrend and downtrend. So if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button ASAP because I'm going to be dropping a subsequent video for the bearish scenario just after this. All right, so you don't miss out on this. Now, what does the double purge theory say? It simply says and connotes that for price to move, both participants must be taken out, buyers and sellers. All right. Now, I've backtested this strategy over time, and I can tell you for a fact that one of the easiest ways, guys, one of the very easiest ways to actually trade this is using the single candle theory. All right, single candle, meaning you do not need the structure of the market. You just need to understand where certain candles are and basically how you can use them. All right, so straight to the video. Now, you can see we have consecutive, you can see that we have consecutive candles here, right? So we have consecutive candles, and these candles simply represent something. So right here, we can see we have consecutive candles making higher high. Let me just show you this. You see, these candles are making a higher high. Now, the point where we actually want to know where buyers and sellers were taking out is where it gets very interesting. That's where the magic usually happens. Now, look at this candle. Good. Can you see that the wick of this candle took out the high of the previous candle? Okay, it took out the high of the previous candle. And the wick of this candle took out the low of this candle. Significant candle. Here we can see vividly that this scenario, both participants have been taken out of the market. Buyers have been taken out, sellers have been taken out. And then what do you get next? Break of structure with very high momentum. Listen, guys, let me just put this as BOS. Yeah, let's put that as BOS, break of structure. And then what do we do next? We have to wait for price to come down, fill up either a fair value gap somewhere around here. And then price will begin to move, fill up the fair value gap, and then price begins to move. Right? Basically, this is how to trade. So now I'm going to give you a live example. This is happening live. This is not back tested. This is happening live right here. And you see this? Let me knock this out. And you see this? The high of this guy was swept out. High of this candle taken out completely. And the low was actually what? Taken out as well. Now, zone refinement. What do we do next? Our order block is obviously somewhere around here. So all you have to do is just wait for price to come to this zone and then take your entry. The reason we are taking this trade is simply because this price structure is obviously bullish. You can see we're making consecutive highs, right? So we just wait. The price gets to this area or this zone, we take our position, go into the trade, and then viola. So TP is going to be the high of this candle. This is live. This is not back tested. This is live. All right, this is a live trade. All right, it's a live trade, guys. So having done that, okay, in the next video, I'm going to show you the bearish scenario. But let's go back again to that illustration I made. Can you see? Let's go back again to that illustration. You see? Buy side, let's call this buy side. BS, buy side, liquidity. Let's just call this guy sell side liquidity. All right, so when price comes back here, fair value gap, take our trades, and we are good in a bullish scenario only. Only, guys. You can see how everything aligned perfectly. Got the break of structure. So this is for scalpers in the house. Those of you who want to scalp, can use this strategy as much as you can. Continuously use it. As long as you stick to the rules, though, to continuously pay you. All right, so that's it, guys. One love, peace out. I'm going to see you in the next video. And feel free to actually check these trades, monitor it. You can hear me right now. Yeah.